Hello everyone, olá a todos, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the A1 level in Portuguese, what it means, what you can already do at this stage, and how to know that you're ready to move on. So many students start their journey either because they moved to Portugal or they are in Portugal and they want to learn the language. They search for courses and they are faced with these sort of abbreviations, A1, A2, B1, that can leave sometimes students confused. What does this mean? How do I know which is my level? In this next series of videos, I will deconstruct level by level what it means, what you need to know. And by the end of the video, you will know, is this the level I'm looking forward? Or is this the level I need to start? Or it's not. Let's start from the beginning with A1. What A1 means. The A1 level is the first level of the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, also known as the abbreviation CEFR. In simple words, it's the absolute beginner level, perfect if you are just starting to learn Portuguese from scratch. What you can do at A1 level. By the end of the A1, you should be able to introduce yourself, ask basic questions, like for example, what's your name? Where are you from? Talk about your family, work, and hobbies in simple sentences. Order things in the restaurants, cafes, or shops. Like for example, I would like a coffee, please. Understand very frequent phrases like times, prices, or directions. Write short messages or fill out simple forms. Think of A1 as the stage where you can survive in Portuguese. You can communicate the essentials, but still in a simple and slow way. How long does it take? So how long does it take to reach A1? It depends on your pace, but usually with about 60 to 80 hours of structured study, you can achieve this level. With consistent practice, you can reach A1 in just a few months. Saying this, when you find courses that promote like 30 hours, 20 hours, you do need to be realistic and know that these courses are not counting with your own self-study, which is fundamental when you want to learn a language. Now I talk about common challenges. At A1, many learners struggle with pronunciation of European Portuguese, especially sounds like lhe, nhe, the difference between ser and estar, which is the verb to be, learning the conjugations of the verbs in present tense, and that's completely normal. It's part of the learning process. What's next? After A1, you move on to A2, where you already be able to have more fluid conversations, talk about the past and the future, and understand native speakers better. So what about you? Do you already recognize yourself in the skills of A1? Are you ready to start learning from scratch? You might already know some words or some simple sentences. So tell me in the comments, what was the first sentence in Portuguese you ever learned? This video is a practical way to help you see if A1 is the level you need. And if you would like to learn it, I usually recommend starting with group courses. But of course, every learner's journey is different. And if you feel ready to begin, you will find the options to contact me and check the available courses in the description below. Either with me or with anyone else, I wish you the best of luck in your learning journey. It makes me so happy to know there's people interested to know the language, understand the culture when they go to Portugal or to Portuguese-speaking countries. It was my pleasure to help you and clarify this. See you next time. Até já!